Okay, hey everybody, today we're going to learn to milk a cow.
Wait, what? We're gonna learn to... Hello everybody, today we're gonna learn how to change or check the oil in the vehicle. So we gotta start by opening the hood. Usually a latch somewhere around here, and you pull that up. We'll have a little picture of the hood. Next thing is you come around to the front. There'll be a latch somewhere by the hood, right here, that we have to open. So the latch is right here. You see that? There it is. Push just like that, and then you lift your hood up. And then get magically lifted. Okay, this is a better spot. So then you look inside your engine and you should see, okay? You should see a little dipstick thing right here. It might be on the other side, it might be on this side. So you find it, you take your finger and pull it out. And then the next thing is you need a rag, like a paper towel, shop towel, and you take it and you just wipe this off so it's good and clean. Okay. Alright. And then you shove it back in the tube. And the trick is you put it in there all the way down. So make sure you push it all the way in. Get it all the way in as far as it will go. And then you pull it back out quickly. The next thing, you're going to look right at the bottom here. And this is your indicator. So when it looks like this line here is full. So what we're looking at, we're perfect. You get just the right amount of oil. If you hold it out and it kind of looks like this, that's about half full. That means you need to add some oil. You need to add a little bit of oil to your engine fill spot over there. Take the cap off and put some oil in. And then you check it again. Once it's full, you're good. And then, last but not least, if it looks like this, and it's totally dry, you're in big trouble because your engine's going to blow up. At the end, we're done.